Good afternoon guys! Nandito tayo sa labas ng school ni Alexander. Kukunin ko na siya. Actually, nagpalit ako ng damit dahil wala lang, mas comfortable lang to. Naka-dress kasi. Yan. Kasi kanina naka-short ako, naka-trouser ako. Tsaka t-shirt. Okay naman yun kasi malamig. Pero now, mainit siya. Not mainit. Oh, malamig siya ng konti lang. Pero okay lang siya for dress. So, yan, nagdala ako ng food kay Alexander kasi I'm sure gutom siya kahit binibigyan naman sila kasi nga yeah, di naman yan always gutom talaga siya, pero after school nagdadala talaga ako ng food for him. So, kukunin ko na siya guys, and may sinabi ko sa, di ba nakita nyo sa video na may binili ako sa kanyang regalo. I'm thinking to give it today, but birthday na lang niya. That is better kasi nga mahilig si Alexander mag-write. Ano lang yon, 22 pound. Mas mura siya compare sa The Range. And I'm thinking na ano lang niya, sa mga arts niya or sa labas siya guys. Kasi pag nasa loob, chalk kasi. Yung chalk, nag-ano siya sa carpet. So, mahirapan ako. You know? It's really hard to remove chalk. So, ang gagawin ko lang is lagay ko siya sa summer outside for him to do his art. And yeah, ganun na lang siya. So, okay guys, kunin ko na sa Alexander. We'll see you later. Bala kong pumunta ng Aldi, pero I'm not so sure. Depende sa mood ni Alexander. Okay? Bye! It can go to their house also. They have a way there to go to their house. Yeah? So, why your teacher gave you some,
I said, because it's a weekend trouble.
Oh, that's why. So tomorrow, do you want to walk or you want to go to swimming? I want to have a competition with you in the swimming pool. Or you're afraid of me? You're afraid I will win? Yeah?
No, I'm afraid to have a swimming activity.
Why? You need to be so good, okay? How about football? You want I take you to football? Why you have that jacket? Remove the jacket. It's not so cold. Show the guys your what you got. Show the guys. Who gave it to you?
The teacher.
Yeah.
So one is a little bit orange, one is strawberry orange.
Yes.
Can you see the difference?
Yeah, I can see the difference.
Yeah, but these are all sometimes with the orange jets. Sometimes the orange jets change colors.
Yeah, you're right. Careful there. Make sure. How are you doing?
Can you see that big hole there?
Yeah.
I'm digging that hole that makes a new path.
Is it cold? Do you need jacket?
It is cold.
You can get jacket. Come on, get jacket. Your hands are dirty. Oh no. Your hands are dirty and you touch it. Become dirty. Look at guys, my rainbow dito sa labas ng bahay.
Yeah, but they just can't see
Look at that.
It's a little bit not
Look.
real.
So nice. Alexander have picture. Yeah? What's your picture?
Yeah.
What did you do?
But do you know Daddy take a picture in the rainbow last time as well?
Yeah.
And one picture in that rainbow Daddy take a picture. There's two rainbow, which is red.
Like so beautiful.
Purple,
Yeah.
blue into the white, and red on the green, purple, blue into the white.
Oh, that's good.
Together.
Okay.
So
And what is the name of this one? Oak tree?
No, I will tell it.
And then here is our,
a name.
this is our strawberry. Look, oh. Yeah. Our strawberry. Okay, and then look at this one.
Mommy, yes, we are doing the deck for strawberries.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
We don't
9. It's 9.
Yeah, no, we don't eat the deck for strawberries. Daddy, this one is pizza, and one is pizza, and one is pizza.
Okay, you need to go inside now. You need to go inside now because it's raining. Say bye-bye, Rainbow. Say bye-bye, Rainbow.
Why would you switch the N in it? Because we find money patterns.
Okay, let's see. Come on, go inside first because it's raining. Nag-exercise ako. Tapos tinawag niya ako for this rainbow. It's beautiful actually.
Can you take off my other seat?
And then remove your clothes. Remove. Oh dear. May nagbebenta ng mga plants. Let's see. What is this? Oh, this one is nice. Let's see nga.